Activating your RBS credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or over the phone. To begin, ensure you have your credit card and other required documents ready. First, visit the RBS website and navigate to the credit card activation page. Click on the Activate Your Credit Card option and log in to your online banking account. If you do not have an online banking account, you will need to register for one. Once logged in, enter your credit card details, including the 16-digit card number and the expiration date. You will also need to provide the security code, which is the last 3 digits on the back of your card. Alternatively, you can activate your credit card over the phone by calling the RBS customer service number. You will need to provide your credit card details and other personal information to verify your identity. It is essential to activate your credit card as soon as possible to avoid any delays or restrictions on your account. After activation, you will be able to use your credit card for online transactions, in-store purchases, and cash withdrawals. To ensure the security of your credit card, it is recommended that you sign the back of the card and store it in a safe place. You should also review your credit card terms and conditions to understand the interest rates, fees, and rewards associated with your account. In addition, you can take advantage of the RBS mobile banking app to manage your credit card account, track your transactions, and receive notifications. By following these steps and best practices, you can activate your RBS credit card quickly and securely, and start using it for your daily transactions.